Welcome back guys once again in hashtag Ask video. I'm going to show you how to measure the your model and how to know what the size it has. So I'm going to close this. Okay. Once again I'm going to start and I will show you how to measure your the model. Yeah, we have line project. We have made a line pendant. Now I'm going to show you how to measure your model and how to know what the size it has. So lightbox. Here it is our model. Okay, you can see this is our model. We have did scooping. Now how can you know that this what the size of this? So press more tool and press Y on your keyboard, so you will get the measurement tool. Just click and drag. Here you can see this click and drag. Press shift for the straight line. Now here you can see this 2.6089 units. You need to know this in mm, so go to the Z plugin, scale master and set scene scale mm. Okay, here you can see this is the measurement of this model. Okay, 2.65, 3.43 and 1.26 mm. This is thickness, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, I mean width and height. Okay, so we will set on mm. Now how can you without know how without measuring and do any adjustment like other demands? So I add some pictures. I'm going to show you on the desktop. Okay, so you will get the idea how to measure. Here we have three pictures which will show you the measurements. Okay, now as per the requirement of your customer you can set the measurements of your model. Yeah, here it is Z, and one more. I'm going to show you three examples so it will get clear how to measure and how to make them resize subtool. Texture, here the third one. Okay, so just okay, jo just need to samples and spotlight projection off. Okay, now we're going to sculpt this. Now what we have to do, just on the floor. Okay, this is in center. No, I think this is not in center. Okay, so how can you make it in center? Even before that, go to the export and here see the scale is 1 and x offset, y offset and z offset must be 0, so it will make it in the center. Okay, now what you have to do, deformation and unify xyz. Okay, floor on and off once again. Okay, here you can see this, we have set an image. So what we have to do, just off the image, just take it to the side and front, texture off. Okay, and fill mode. Yeah, here you can see this is in center, just because we have click on deformation and unify xyz. This will make the image in the center. Now how can you know the position? It should be 0. The position of this image should be 0. Here you can see this in geometry, position is 0. Now we are going to talk about size. Before that we have to set in mm. Okay, here this is the size and what we want, 3 centimeter long and 1.85 centimeter width. So we are going to set in set skin master and centimeters, and x-axis should be 1.85 and y-axis should be 1.85, enter, and y-axis should be 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. Here you can see this floor off. Now how can you know the size? So just press W and Y. Now you can measure that this is approximately 0.286 centimeter. Okay, now press Y and W, Q. Go to the chat plugin and set skin scale. Here you can see this the measurements. Okay, it's about 1.185 0.291 and 0.73. Okay, so this is how you can set all these things. And now I'm going to show. Here you can see this 1.85 and over here 1.85 centimeter. Okay, 2.91, 2.91, is this 2.91? I think it's approx 3 centimeter. Okay, and we have depth of 0.73 centimeter. It's okay. Now the another one, this is in centimeter, so we're going to set in centimeter. Pendant height 5 centimeter, so y axis should be 5, enter. 45, it's enough, 5. Okay, and width should be 3.3, so x axis should be 3.3 centimeter, enter. So now here you can see this, the depth is so less, so we are going to increase the depth. This must be okay. Now how can we know the perfect measurement? So go to the jet plugin and set screen scale. Now here you can see the height of the 5 centimeter, it's about 5 centimeter, I think 50, how, oh, 5 centimeter. Okay, and 3.3 centimeter. Okay, and depth we have set as per our requirement 1.59 centimeter. Now this is going to talk about mm. Okay, 49 mm long, so y axis should be 49, enter, and x axis should be 29 mm. Oh, that's fair enough. Here you can see this z axis is so flattened, so we just increase this as we like. This is good, pretty good. Okay, little bit more, yeah. Okay, you can adjust it on, because we have only two sizes, 49 mm and 29 mm. Now go to the set screen scale and see 49 mm. Here it is 49 mm and 29 mm, 29 mm. Okay, and 183.81 mm the z axis. Okay, this is how you can see all the measurements and set as per your requirement. So we set on mm. Okay, this is how, and you can just export to the export to the STL format. Yeah, here is STL and LAN final product. Okay, this is how you can export.